Welcome back, future vocabulary masters. Today, we're diving into the world of Greek roots, starting with the root word bio, which means life. We're going to explore words that come from this root, learn their meanings, and see how they can bring your vocabulary to life. Don't forget to download the free review sheet linked in the description below to follow along and test your knowledge after the video. Let's kick things off with our first word. Biology. Biology is the study of living organisms like plants, animals, and humans. For example, in science class, we learned that biology helps us understand how plants and animals grow and live. Biography. A biography is a written account of someone's life. I read a fascinating biography about the life of Martin Luther King Jr., who taught me so much about his achievements and his troubles. Biosphere. The biosphere is the part of the earth where life exists. It includes all the plants, animals, and environments that support life on our planet. Biodegradable. When something is biodegradable, it means it can be broken down naturally by the environment. For example, the biodegradable packaging helps reduce waste because it breaks down easily in the soil. Biohazard. A biohazard is a substance that poses a risk to human health or the environment. Scientists wear protective suits while handling the biohazard to prevent any danger to their health. Biometrics. The measurement of physical characteristics used for identification. Using biometrics like fingerprints or facial recognition, we can securely access our devices. Antibiotic. An antibiotic is a medicine used to treat infections caused by bacteria. The doctor prescribed an antibiotic to help fight the bacterial infection. Symbiosis. Symbiosis is a relationship between two different species that benefits both. The relationship between bees and flowers is a great example of symbiosis, where bees get nectar and flowers get pollinated. Abiotic. Abiotic factors refer to non-living things in the environment. Rocks, sunlight, and water are all abiotic factors that play a role in the ecosystem. Biopsy. A biopsy involves taking a small sample of tissue from the body to check for diseases. The doctor performed the biopsy to check the tissues or any signs of corruption. Biofuel. Biofuel is a type of fuel made from living things or organic matter. Biofuel is considered a renewable energy source because it's made from plants and waste materials. Biodiversity. The rainforest is known for its incredible biodiversity, home to countless species of plants and animals. Bioluminescent. Bioluminescent organisms are those can produce and emit light. Fireflies are bioluminescent insects, creating light through chemical reactions in their bodies. That's it for today's lesson on words with the Greek root bio. I hope these words help you expand your vocabulary and make learning more fun. Let us know in the comments which word you found more interesting and how you plan to use it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more vocabulary tips and educational content. And remember, you can download your free review sheet from the link in the description below like said at the beginning. See you next time!